since I've been messing about with these old laser engravers, I'm starting to learn a bit, you know. And one thing I've learned is no two pieces of wood are the same. No, but they're not. Especially when you've got flood fill. When I mean flood fill, I mean, like, for instance, these big black areas, or in this case, like brownie colour, right? They provide different textures depending on what the wood is. This happens to be chestnut and has a little bit of a sort of a liney texture going with the grains, so to speak. You know, those darker areas there are actually a little bit more raised than the rest, because the resin content, wherever the rays are, in the actual grain of this piece of wood. Well, a piece of wood that we know that has quite coarse grain, but also high resin is this stuff, and this is Douglas-Fir, which technically is not a fir tree, it is a pine tree because it has pine cones. Well, I've got a piece set up underneath the laser, ready to go, and we're going to do a flood fill test to see what the texture is of that, laser burn into the Douglas-Fir. Well, I've got the laser set at 100 millimeters per second, at 70% power, and it's a 20 watt long air rate 5 laser. Now, I will be performing these same tests at a later date on the new B1 that I have over here as well. But anyway, no further ado, we're going to go over to the laser. There we are. There we go. There it is. It has the wood all ready to go. First of all, we have to frame the laser. Frame the laser! To make sure it's actually on the piece of wood. And then we can press start. Okay, we're back. Right, let's just bring that in here. Hello there. Can you see the smoke? I've really got to put a hole through the wall and install an extractor system with pipes and stuff. And yeah, anyway, so we don't have all this nastiness. Especially that, I don't know if you realise this, but Douglas-Fir is actually on the list of known carcinogens. So we've got to be a little bit careful. So anyway, it's finished its burn. Should we have a look what it looked like? Alright, I'll put you on the overhead camera first. There it is. Okay. Oh my god. Can you see that texture? Blimey. Oh, here we are. Well, what can I say? It's like I don't know what you call it. Oh, crikey. Well, it could be used to good effect, alright? But these divots through here looks like been planned. They actually go down by probably a millimetre. Yeah. I would say probably a minute. Hang on, I've got a vernier here. Let's see how deep they are. Alright, let's choose any old one up to. Put my spread on that. No, half a millimetre deep. If that actually is going right to the bottom. Well, about half a millimetre deep. So, if you look at the flood fill of that one, although it has got some texture there, it's like that. I actually quite like it. It's like, it looks like Jupiter. Just needs a big eye on it or something. Look at that. That's great. So that is my flood fill test on a piece of Douglas-Fir. I don't think I need to do it on the chest now. I think it's down obvious to see that. But that is pretty, well, gruesome really, isn't it? It's turned it into a cheese grater. That's what it's done, yeah? Blimey. Is that skiffle board? How'd that work? I don't know. I've never been in a skiffle band. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. That is the flood fill test using Douglas-Fir. And yeah, be very, very wary of using softwoods with a laser. I think the results could be rather disappointing because the difference in density between the grain, the rays and the grain in relationship to the soft material in between is considerable. Hence, that's why we're getting such this undulated, ploughed field kind of look going on. You might like. There you go. Hope you found that of interest. Please boot the old like button and maybe subscribe to the channel because then you get one fast video in your pocket every time I upload another video. Blimey, I can't breathe. Toodaloo.